Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, creating and using a Python virtual environment, virtualenv, is a helpful way to manage dependencies and isolate project-specific packages. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on creating and activating a Python virtual environment. Firstly, ensure you have virtualenv installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so via pip, Python's package installer. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where you want to create your Python virtual environment. Then, execute the following command to create a virtual environment named myenv. You can replace myenv with your preferred name. This command creates a directory named myenv containing the isolated Python environment. After creating the virtual environment, you'll need to activate it. The process differs based on your operating system. For Windows, for Mac OS and Linux. Upon activation, your terminal or command prompt will display the name of the activated environment, such as myenv, at the beginning of the command prompt, indicating that the virtual environment is active. Once the virtual environment is activated, any Python-related command will use the Python interpreter and packages installed within this environment. For example, you can install packages using pip as usual. Replace package_name with the name of the package you want to install. All installed packages will be specific to this virtual environment. When you're done working within the virtual environment, you can deactivate it by simply typing. This command will return you to your system's default Python environment. To recap, here are the key commands. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. Install packages within the virtual environment. Deactivate the virtual environment. Python virtual environments are incredibly useful for keeping your project dependencies isolated, making it easier to manage different project requirements without conflicts. ChatGPT